Good morning from the charming city of Taitung, Taiwan. After a 1-hour train ride from Yuli, I need to drop off my bag at the B&B. If you're looking for an affordable yet stylish stay in Taitung,想旅行民宿ticks many boxes. Located in a quiet alley, yet within walking distance of major attractions like Tiehua Village and the night market, this homestay blends convenience with tranquility. The B&B is set in the older part of Taitung City, about a 10-minute drive from Taitung Railway Station. For those who love exploring on foot, you'll find the Taitung Night Market just 9 minutes away, and the old Taitung Railway corridor within a 15-minute walk. If you're feeling adventurous, a half-hour stroll will take you to the coastline. There is a 7-Eleven convenience store right in front, which is perfect for midnight snacks or essentials. The homestay is in a quiet neighborhood, so the lack of street noise is great for light sleepers. The shared lounge area exudes a modern minimalist charm with light wood furnishings and a neutral palette. It's cozy, practical, and well-equipped. I was especially appreciative of the free Nespresso coffee in the morning. A highlight is the dining area, which is perfect for relaxing or enjoying takeout from the night market. Here's a tip. The indoor slippers are shared, so if you're picky about hygiene, bring your own. Bright, clean, and efficiently designed, the 20 square meters deluxe double room is compact yet functional. It strikes a fine balance between minimalist aesthetics and practicality. I paid 2,280 new Taiwan dollars per night for my room. The queen-size bed is very comfortable with soft linens. The desk and the chairs are useful for working or dining. The balcony lets in natural light and ventilation, though the view is just neighboring buildings. The air conditioning is quiet, which is perfect for hot Taitung nights. The TV provides streaming options, and there is also free Wi-Fi. The hairdryer is powerful, making drying quick and easy. A small refrigerator offers convenient storage for drinks and snacks. The walls are well insulated, which lets in minimal noise from neighboring rooms. Storage space is somewhat limited for long stays, and there's no elevator, so carrying luggage upstairs might be challenging. The bathroom is compact but thoughtfully designed. The basin comes with hand soap and rinsing cups. The toilet and shower stall is clean. The shower has good water pressure, but not scalding hot. Shower gel and shampoo are provided. Do note that only small towels are provided, so bring your own if you prefer large bath towels. There are no single-use toothbrush or toothpaste, which is a standard in Taiwan due to its environmental regulations. The owner is a young man who runs this B&B with a strong commitment to sustainability and guest comfort. Some of his eco-friendly policies include no single-use bottles and no plastic bin liners. 2 washing machines are available on the top floor. There is no dryer, in line with the B&B's ESG policies. You will need to hang your clothes to dry. Wanna Travel B&B is an ideal choice for solo travelers and couples seeking a clean, stylish, and well-located stay in Taitung. With its eco-conscious policies, well-thought-out design, and price point, it offers one of the best value-for-money stays in downtown Taitung. Would I stay here again? Absolutely.